Hi, let me show you how to set up Siri on iPhone. So firstly, let's go ahead and open settings. And now start scrolling down until we can find this section Siri. After that, we need to enable it first. So let's pick Talk to Siri. And now, as a first step, you would need to pick one of those two options if you want to trigger Siri with the help of your voice. So I suggest you to select this first one because we can say either Siri or Hey Siri, which is more comfortable. And now we need to enable it by tapping this blue button. So here we are gonna set up Siri by saying aloud everything what we'll see on the display to teach Siri recognize our voice. So let's tap continue. And I'm going to show you how it works. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And now Siri is ready, so we need to tap done. And we can trigger it with the help of those phrases. Additionally, you can enable to press side button for Siri, just like that. After that, you need to select language for your Siri. In my case, it is English, but you can go through the list and tap on any other, just like this. Now, if you want to use it on your lock screen, then enable this feature as well, so the switch will be green. Then we can also customize voice and choose variations. So this is like an accent. Here you got male voices and female, so you can tap on them and listen how it will sound.
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
I prefer option number 4, so I'm gonna set it. And these are the accents. Now, in Siri responses settings, you can choose silent ones or spoken. Also show request and show Siri captions. Then you can also hang up calls with the help of Siri. You can read this information about the feature and enable it by tapping on the switcher. And you can do the same with announce calls. So you can ask Siri to announce all of your incoming calls. For that, click on always or headphones and car headphones only. Also, we can enable to automatically send messages. And here we can also delete Siri dictation history. Now let's try this out. Let's ask Siri to set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Great, as you can see, it's working just fine. Let's try this out on the lock screen. Siri, how's the weather today? And yep, Siri gave an answer as well. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.